What is up, guys? Welcome to today's market recap. Today was a no trade day for me. Honestly, going into the day, I was super bearish, and I did really think that I was going to get some beautiful, beautiful shorts, but I never got them. Market just ended up, I was just wrong. I think that I wasn't like wrong in thinking that we were going to go lower. This market decided to just pump, as you can see, and yeah. Uh, but we had an SMT at all-time high, so as you can see, yes, swept out this high here. So therefore, we had an SMT, and what happens? We get this instant B shape for our inverse to the up to the downside. Um, and we also opened up this 4-hour fair value gap. On the lower time frame, we had all of this LR. We had relative equal lows with previous low, like London made previous, holy fuck. London left relative equal lows with previous day low, and on the higher time frame we still had this LR right here. So also kind of like all of this and stuff. So I did really want to see something like this. Um, when I saw a market open like this, I really thought, oh shit, I might get my Judas short, but I never really got that, which kind of sucks. We ended up just going higher, and there was a possible continuation long. I didn't really love it. First of all, my external targets, like you're targeting this high, which has an SMT. There's really no LR, very little LR, maybe like on the lower time frame, but like on the 50-minute, like there really isn't any sort of LR. Um, but we ended up tapping this 5-minute fair value gap, and there was this 2-minute inverse. But again, I think it's super premium. Like you longing pretty much almost the top of this leg up. Externally, your targets are kind of made, like targeting this high. I just didn't really love that. And also internally, you don't have any sort of LR. You actually kind of have the opposite. Like this high here swept this high, and this high here swept this high. Um, so now you're just targeting a high that swept another high, which has swept another high. So it's really not ideal. And I wanted to see like a deeper retracement, maybe have some sort of LR and something like this. Maybe open up a 50-minute fair value gap at 10 a.m., trade into it, and then take longs from there. But yeah, and then in my opinion, trade of the day. But I had hopped off. Once I saw we were trading like this, bro, like, bro, look at this fucking chop, look at these candles. I just did not want to be trading this. Um, and yeah, I was looking hungry, so I just went to make breakfast. Uh, but I was like, I saw it through my phone, like I was still kind of looking at it, and I saw this setup, which I think is pretty nice. We have an SMT here with this high. We're inside of this hourly gap right here, although it's not like the best displacement out of it, honestly, but still something. Also this 50-minute rally up. We had this 50-minute unfilled. Um, and yeah, there was this 2-minute inverse here. There was also, was there a 3-minute? I don't know. No, there was a 2-minute highest time frame. Um, yeah, you have all of this LR, also a 30-minute rally gap right here. So you could have had entry there, and I would have put my stop right there on this order block. If we're gonna be bearish, we should respect this order block. And then I would have either taken profit at a 1-to-1 because we got an SMT here with this low, which is a 30-minute fair value gap. Um, but if I had taken this, I don't know if I would have held and like gone break even since we got the SMT, or held to this low, which would have been a bit annoying because um break even and then it goes to take profit, which would have fucking sucked. But yeah, and yeah, honestly, in my opinion, this trade was better than this one. There's way more like it's way better. The only thing is that you're trading the manipulation leg if we're bullish. And like obviously we were bullish, so you're kind of trading the manipulation leg, and ideally you wanna be trading the distribution. Uh, but yeah, I think this was probably trade of the day. Um, but yeah, like after seeing this price action, I just decided to hop off, especially since it is Anonymous Monday, and we do have CPI tomorrow, which I will be full porting this fucking evil. Hopefully it goes well. And yeah, and I don't think there was really anything else. I didn't really love longs here. Um, it's a 30-second, I believe, but this 30-second inverse. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really love longs there. And yeah, I would have at least wanted to see this 50-minute rally up. But I think, honestly, mm, I don't know if this longs. Actually, I like this long more than this one. Uh, unless it was an SMT with this low. Nah. Yeah, I don't know. I would have liked to see like more retracements into at least the 15-minute rally up. But yeah, that is it for today, and peace out.